everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this lecture, what we'll be doing is that I'll be pointing out the various myths that revolve around the CSIR-NET preparation, and then we'll try to look at the solutions for the same. So the very first myth that revolve around this examination is that you cannot clear in the first attempt. No, that is not a true statement, or that is not something to believe upon. Why? Because I have also cleared this examination in the first attempt, and if I can, anyone can. So need not to believe upon these statements when someone point out to you that you cannot clear this exam in the first attempt itself. No, this is a myth. You can clear this exam in the first attempt itself. The second myth that revolves around it, that you need to study for 16 hours a day, which is a total false statement. Why? Because according to human psychology, no one can study for 16 hours a day. The brain would become dead. You would not be able to study more than 9 to 10 hours, and you need not to study for 16 hours. Our human brain requires break. We need to have some other thing also. So this is also a wrong statement to point upon that you need to study 16 hours a day. But if you have a planning, and if you study for 7 to 8 hours or maybe less than that, but with a proper strategy, you can clear this exam. It all depends on us, that how we are utilizing. It is not about the quantity of time, that is how many hours we are putting in. It all depends on individual's caliber. For example, I can complete one topic in 4 hours. Maybe possible that you might be able to complete that in 1 hour itself. So it all depends upon the individual's caliber. So this is very wrong statement that you need to study for 16 hours. Do not believe in such statements. The next myth that revolve around this examination is that without coaching, this examination is not possible to clear. No, that is not also a correct statement. Why? I cleared this examination only based upon my self-study, depending upon the sources that I used for my preparation and with the proper planning. So this is also a very wrong statement that you have to have a coaching taken for the complete preparation of this CSIR. No, you can do it without coaching itself. Do not believe in such statement that you cannot clear without coaching. YouTube and other sources are full of information. All you need is to look upon those complete resources and find out what you want. Take your time, have the patience or have the guts to find out the things that you want for your preparation and select those topics. You need not to have spoon feeding for everything. If you do it yourself, you would be able to crack this exam. If you have the confidence that okay, I'll be doing it on my own, you can clear this examination. So this is also a very wrong myth that you cannot clear this without coaching. The next myth that revolve around this examination is about part A. It is made a very big rumor that you need to be very strong in general aptitude. No, you need not to be very strong in general aptitude for completing your part A questions. Part A questions are very general. If we analyze the previous year question papers, 7 to 8 questions are so easy that you can easily score out 7 to 8 questions from that, and that is almost equal to 16 marks. So you need not to have very strong general aptitude. Instead, if you study daily for even half an hour, that is if you even practice for the part A daily for half an hour, you would be able to clear, or you would be able to score at least 10 to 12 marks for sure in part A. Hence this is also a very wrong statement that you need to be very strong in general aptitude. Rather, part A is such a rank booster for all of us. If you try to solve those questions, and if you give only not even 30, even 20 minutes daily, you can easily solve 6 to 7 questions from that particular part in the main examination also. So do not believe in this statement even. The next myth that revolve around this examination is that this examination is not for the average students or it is only for the very brilliant student. No, this is a very wrong statement. Why? I am not a very brilliant student. I am also a very average student itself. It's just the proper planning, proper hard work that we require to clear this examination. So this is also a myth that we need to burst upon. So these were the myths that I wanted to discuss about in this particular video. I hope this video might change your perspective or might help you to change your perspective regarding this examination. You can clear this examination very easily. All you need is hard work summed up with smart work and with a proper planning. That's all you need for this examination to clear. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, please do like, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up very soon with more informative videos as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.